ओपन एआई ने अभी अभी GPT-5 रिलीज कर दिया है एंड ओ माय गॉड इट इज गुड। मेरे को बहुत टाइम हो गया है since I have been this impressed with an AI model. Maybe like the first time I tried Claude 3.5 Sonnet for coding, and this is just so much better than GPT-4. Matlab, it is good at writing stuff.
मेरे हेडफोन्स की बैटरी ख़त्म हो गई. नेवर माइंड. इट्स बेसिकली गुड एट एवरीथिंग. एंड आई जस्ट कांट कॉम्प्रिहेंड कि मतलब when people like companies like bold.new, lovable, when they actually start using this, क्या बन जाएगा भाई. मतलब ऑलरेडी इफ़ यू यूज़ लवेबल यू कैन मेक अ pretty good website in just one prompt, and now you can do even more. Let's just get started. पहले मैं तुम लोगों को डिटेल्स दे देता हूँ अबाउट व्हाट द रिलीज इज़, व्हाट्स न्यू, कौन से मॉडल्स रिलीज़ हुए हैं, क्या क्या नए चेंजेस हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट विल एक्चुअली स्टार्ट टेस्टिंग द मॉडल. Obviously, this new model is called GPT-5 and I have been so excited about this. And finally ये कल आ गया. मैं रात को 12 बजे बैठ के क्या टेस्टिंग कर रहा था. टेस्ट एक एक चीज़ चलाते जा रहा हूँ एंड हर एक चीज़ में मेरा दिमाग ही फट जा रहा है कि इतना ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस कैसे. हाउ इज़ दैट इवन like possible. Like, let's say if Claude 4 Opus is here and 3.5 Sonnet was here, GPT-5 is here. It's way ahead. And it is really good at coding. Just take a look at this. ये गेम GPT-5 ने बनाई है. The ball game that you used to play on the mobile. In fact, just revealing this, मेरा जो new project है, it's called Whimsy. It is about building games with AI. That is going to be made so much better with this new AI model. Pixel art with just GPT-5. Like, look at that. It's made a typing game. Think about that. A typing game used to be a good project to show in a resume, and now just AI can do it in one prompt. There's a drum simulator. There's a lo-fi visualizer, which is heavy, and my browser started lagging, but that's cool. One another update is health में the data has gotten much better, which is very good for me, क्योंकि मैं हर एक हेल्थ का सवाल चैट जीपीटी को ही पूछता हूँ. मैं डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाता. एंड देन फाइनली जब मैं पूरा बीमार पड़ जाता हूँ तब मुझे ज़बरदस्ती डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना पड़ता है. So now the health data on ChatGPT has even gotten better. As in, there is this benchmark called Health Bench, and okay, I don't know the exact score of this of GPT, but it's really good, is what they said in the demo. Now let's see. It's gotten even better at writing. So it's given the same prompt to both 4.0 and 5. In the cupboard with the rice bowl and then that annoying dash, which is here also, they did not manage to remove that. One folded neat, like he'd stepped out. Another behind the garden broom dusted the plum blossom and doubt. Okay. In the tea tin, a single sock smelling faintly of camphor and rain. Another way. You know what? I'm not that good at poems कि मैं इसको judge कर पाऊँ. But maybe something that we can talk about. Band global planning. Okay. I'm a manager for 5-member K-pop boy group. Their latest sales for third mini album topped at 60K in Korea. Give me a city by city working doc along with a detailed ticketing recommended for each venue. Okay. Okay, so basic. I think 4.0 has done a decent job. What did 5 do better? 3 months, 34 shows. Asia, Oceania, I guess I see how this is better, but इतना major difference writing में इधर नहीं लग रहा है. But when you actually start writing yourself, when you actually start talking to the model, you will realize that there's a huge difference. This, of course, the thing is, I'm not that interested in reading like random benchmark stuff, poetry, cancer risk and all of that. जो उनने एग्जाम्पल दिए हैं, आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन दोस्त, तो मैं इतना समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. बट लेट्स सो दिस इज़ वेयर यहाँ मेरा दिमाग ही फट गया. We had, of course, we had models that were scoring above 95 on benchmarks, right? GPT-5 is like, nah, 95 is shit. 100 पूरे सवाल आंसर कर दिए AIME के, मैथ कंपटीशन के, फ्रंटियर मैथ के लिए. इट इज़ द हाईएस्ट स्कोरिंग मॉडल. HMMT 100%, GPQA Diamond 89%, which is the highest score recorded. Humanities last exam पे it scored 42%, and they've not compared any models outside of OpenAI, इसलिए I'm not able to gauge an idea of the industry model. But now it's saying GPT-5 is like 74 at the SWE benchmark. Just to tell you what that means, जब Devin आया था and they had claimed that they are scoring 13% on the SWE benchmark, we had gone crazy. And now this is 74%, and even 88% for multi-language code editing. Matlab, overall, I don't think these benchmarks can do justice to how good these models are. So let's just talk about कि कौन से नए models आए हैं, and then we'll jump into the actual testing, and I'll show you how good this model really is at coding. So now their best model is GPT-5 Pro, and GPT-5 Pro is a variant of GPT-5 that you can only access if you have the $200 Pro plan. So I haven't tried it, but it is that's the one that is scoring like 100%. Then GPT-5 default model है, and there is a GPT-5 thinking model, which basically it's like a toggle switch कि same model thinking चालू कर देता है, and it thinks for longer. Basically you ask it to think. There is GPT-5 API. So I'll show you. There are basically 3 main models जो API पे आए हैं, and the update is that all of the other models of OpenAI, every other model has been deprecated. It's gone. ठीक है? So if you are building any application with OpenAI applications, OpenAI models, you have to switch to GPT-5. So there is GPT-5 High, which is the best model. There is GPT-5 Mini, which is like the mini version, the cheaper version, and then GPT-5 Nano, which is the ultra cheap version. अब जो GPT-5 Mini है, that is just way ahead of O3, which I consider to be the best model, and GPT-5 Nano is comparable to the performance of GPT 4.1 Mini or GPT 4.1 in some way, right? And GPT-5 Nano is a really good, like, small cheap model. GPT-5 Mini is mid of the pack, but it is still really cheap, and GPT-5 is cheaper than Claude Opus, and it is still Claude Opus kya, it's cheaper than Claude Sonnet. So the pricing is at $1.25 per million tokens input, and $10 per million tokens output. That's the pricing for the GPT-5 main model. GPT-5 Mini is 0.25 input and $2 output, so that's really good. And Nano, it's 5 cents input and 40 cents output. From OpenAI, we have never seen better price to performance ratio. Never. Now there are models on OpenRouter that you could go and get that are just really cheap and really good, but GPT-5 at this point, at least as of today, is unbeatable. It's the best model on the market, I can say without a doubt, at least for coding. Now let's go to ChatGPT and let's start testing it. ठीक है, so we have the GPT-5 model on. Now I'll show you something. What I really like about this is तुम जितना डिटेल्ड प्रॉम्प्ट दोगे ये उतना डिटेल्ड आंसर देगा, नाउ मोर देन एवर. दिस इज ऑलवेज बिन द केस. This has always been the case, but now with this it has gotten even better. Like, I'll show you an example. Generate okay, let's start with like conversation. Hey man, can you explain to me what is quantum chromodynamics? Let's say, how does it explain this concept to me? Quantum chromodynamics is a part of physics that explains how quarks and gluons interact. It's a strong force theory. What is it about quarks? So this is again a very human way of putting it, and then was studying with ChatGPT का example मुझे दे रहा है. Now see, I asked a short, very simple question कि what is it, and then it gave me like what is it, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा उतना आंसर. And now if I ask it कि give me detailed answer, तब वो देगा. If you look at what ChatGPT 4o did, it just would keep going. इतना लंबा आंसर for what is this मैंने पूछा है. So now if I had asked it, explain every aspect of it in detail. Now if I ask it to do that, first of all, it will automatically pick up that I have asked it to, this is something that I must think longer for. So इसने think longer चालू कर दिया and it thought for 8 seconds, which is a little disappointing. I thought it would go for longer. But look at that. Now it's just given a completely different answer. I bet if you do the same thing with GPT-4o, it will probably give two very similar answers, one being a longer version of the other. But this is just different. Like, कहाँ हम लोग सिर्फ बेसिक पार्टिकल्स की बात कर रहे थे, कहाँ हम लोग ये साइंस वाइंस सब पे आ गए. Yeah, look at that. मतलब comparatively, look at the size of the answer that was there before, right? So that way it's pretty good. Let's check out what it can do for coding, right? And I haven't tried this out in Cursor yet. I am going to, but for now let's just try it directly here. Generate a website that is a landing page for a company called NeuralArc. Search for this company and mention in the website what it does. I want a similar theme to the NeuralArc website. Here is the link. Here is another link if you want. So I'm giving it a link to both of NeuralArc's site, neuralarc.in. Okay, now let's see what it does. So already it knows कि मैंने उसको एक multi-step plan दिया है. So it is thinking longer. It has found our website. It has found, it's gone to NeuralArc, matrix.neuralarc, and now it's already started writing the code. मतलब look at this. I asked it for code. It gave me code. None of that nonsense. I am now going to start writing the code, which is, yes, that is something that people would appreciate, but who really reads that? Overall, I'm a huge fan of this model, and when this output is over, you'll see what I'm talking about. One thing I am disappointed by is they don't show us the thought chain. And the problem with that is, if you don't show me the thought chain, I can't really recreate the model. That's kind of what they want. And the so we have to wait for a few months before a Chinese model is able to replicate the capabilities of GPT-5, and by then GPT-5 will probably be even better. So just with a simple prompt, ये simple सा prompt है, ठीक है, and it's given me 309 lines of code for a simple prompt, which makes sense. Now let's see. Okay, it's loading up. I hope. Open console. There's no mistakes. It's just taking time to load for some reason. ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, लेट्स जस्ट कॉपी द कोड एंड आई रन इट आउटसाइड. ये तो थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटिंग हो गया भाई. HTML runner. Let's run it here. Yeah, so it's a problem with the ChatGPT desktop app, not with the model. Are you seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? देखो ये थोड़ा सा इशू है. Of course it can be fixed in one prompt. Are you seeing this? This is 300 lines of high quality code. Look at the UI. So this UI is really good. What I've understood is it really likes gradients. So look at what we have here. It's put in the actual link for Access All GPT and all of that stuff. And now what I will do is research as much as you can about this company and give me a detailed prompt to make an awesome website for this. Now I'm asking it to research about the company, uska information collect karo, and it obviously used the previous data that it collected, because it obviously collected data before, and now it's found all of this data. And what I can do is I can just copy this prompt and I'll switch to thinking, right? What you might have noticed with models like 4o या फिर 4 Sonnet is कि when you enter a bigger prompt in it, you just get a higher quality output and not the length of output, right? If let's say 4o was capped at 3 to 500 lines of code, it would cram everything that you asked it to do in that 3 to 500 lines of code. This adjusts accordingly. The thing is कि ये इतना it'll take time, of course. It thinks for about a minute when you give it this big of a prompt. Okay, this is just wrong. This is the other neural arc, but obviously there's a confusion with the neural arc name. So it's Microsas AI agents. This is me. This is my neural arc. This India-based AI startup is my neural arc. Founded in 2025 is me, but these are the founders of the other neural arc. That's the confusion. Yeah. So Access All GPT, Inner Circle. This is all us. Helume AI. I have no idea what this is. So it thought for about 30 seconds. And it's now started writing the code. Okay, I think अभी OpenAI के servers पे the pressure is very high, and that's why it's taking very long. So for just the thinking model, you can see the summarized chain of thought, but you can't see the actual chain of thought. Now while it is doing this, एक काम करते हैं, let's have it only generate test for itself. Give me prompts 10 to check the coding capability Yeah man, इसी से पूरा काम करा रहे हैं, देख लो गाइस. No, I want to check it for web applications and games. 7 out of 10. Complexity. Wow, I spelled complexity very correctly. Okay. Let's see. So just front end for now. Front end functional. ठीक है. हाँ, I guess these are pretty good tests. Zoom, video player, 2D game platform, Snake game, quiz app. All of these are really good. We'll just start testing the base GPT-5 model with this. मैंने कल रात को ऑलरेडी करके रखा है, बट आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू गाइज हाउ गुड दिस इज़. Okay, so I just sent it this. Our website, our landing page is ready. Comparatively, look at this. Do you see the difference in output as I change the prompt? Like, उसका it has such a diverse capability for output. Like, look at this. This animations feel so polished. All of this feels so polished. Like, if you told me this was not made by an AI like a week ago, I would have believed you. Because we have been in a very safe phase where if someone makes designs with AI, it's very obvious that it's made with AI until and unless you're really good at telling what you want. And now I just asked it to make a prompt as per me, and it made a prompt, and I used that prompt to generate this. If you guys are not impressed by this, I don't know what you will be impressed by. Look at the attention to look at those animations. Okay, so it's come up with our Kanban board. Let's check out the Kanban board. कैसा बना है? Have you seen a better looking Kanban board? I haven't. You can add new tasks. See, I mean, the model knows how smart it is. Because if you would have asked another model to create a Kanban board, it would have created a non-functional Kanban board where maybe a form is opening but it's not actually operational. This is operational. This is just a really, really good output. I could probably use this in my company, right? This output, this Kanban board, I could use it. Let's try the next thing. Let's make a responsive movie browser. Meanwhile, there are also open source models from GPT, and I was impressed by GPT OSS models, but now they just seem useless. Like, because this is so good, if you build applications with GPT-5, it's just guaranteed that it's going to be better than building with any other application. I mean, like, if you have an integration of GPT-5 in your application is gonna be good. Depending on you, yeah. If you're just shit at coding, then I don't know. Like, I can't guarantee that. Okay, so it's writing a lot of CSS. It's written like minimal HTML, and now it's writing a lot of JavaScript. Interesting. I thought in order to make a movie browser, वो usually you just copy paste HTML elements, that's what it would do. But it's actually taking a good approach where इसने actually उसके components बना दिए हैं, and it's just you know now doing everything through JavaScript, which people might hate JavaScript, but that's what makes HTML workable. Okay. um, okay, this is confusing. Why can't I? Oh, I need to post a TMDB API key. That is why I can't run it here. Okay, but I just want to see like the UI. Yeah, there we go. Movie browser. Is it responsive? Yeah, it's responsive. Okay, so I don't want to put like the API key here. So let's just move on to the next thing, which is we'll just do some interesting stuff where वो खत्म कर interactive data table. This is something that people would use a lot. Creating interactive data tables are really used in a lot of DBMS applications. Image puzzle game, interactive quiz app, snake game, 2D game platform where players can move. Okay, ये देखते हैं what is the quality of output that it gives here. Custom video player का product image वो सब, that's fine. Animated weather dashboard, we'll try that as well. So पहले ये 2D game वाला, and then let's make a animated weather dashboard. Okay, let's check on where our interactive data table has reached. It's still writing the code. It does a lot of JavaScript. The other models were very HTML heavy. Like at least when you're writing in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, it would write a lot of HTML rather than a lot of logic in JavaScript. So these are like now usable applications, whatever it's creating, right? And for some reason, again, it's not giving me the option to run it in Canvas. But look at that. Now, as I'm starting to build more and more stuff with it, it is starting to become obvious that it has this style, but it follows prompts really well. So I think whatever style I give it, it will be able to follow properly. Yeah, so look at that. This is a really good interactive table. Something that I would probably use. Okay, इसने canvas बनाया है. This is a 2D, bro. Like, yeah, I get it. It's not function. Let's see how well it does on follow-up prompts. I keep falling immediately. Let's see how it manages to fix that. It seems like the user could have player starting position. It seems, yeah, it's thinking correctly. Okay, and it's fixed it. No, it hasn't fixed it. Okay, that's a little disappointing. No, you need to change the code. So it thought of it in the correct way, but the thing is that this platform, the code for that platform's interaction needs to be changed. But it was thinking correctly. I don't know why it couldn't fix it. So it's fixing gravity now. I don't think it's a regex pattern match problem, man. Okay. Games is somewhere it struggles a little. Of course, the prompt is not that detailed, but I would expect it to make a decent game for this prompt. It's quite simple. I think if you gave the same prompt to Gemini 2.5 Pro, it would actually do it. So little disappointed about game creation performance, but that's fine. Okay, it's making a few fixes. Let's see. तब तक let's check out our weather dashboard. It's really good at AI, I can conclude that, and it is the best model on the market. Gaming performance is struggling a little. Bro, like, it's doing stuff where I have to put in my API key, rest of it is just implementing on its own. Wow. This is really good. What about Nagpur, let's say? Wait, where did that was that my computer or yeah, that's probably incorrect. Nagpur can't be at -5, so it hasn't. So since it does not have the API key, it's just randomly generating the data. How about Ohio? Yeah, Ohio is 25. Makes no sense. Anyways, let's see. This is the final chance I've given it. Okay, I want to see if it's able to fix. Okay, now it's gone completely. I think ये prompt अगर मैं directly 2.5 Pro को दूँ, it'll be able to do it. So game generation is a bit of an issue until and unless you have a really good prompt. Like, at least in my limited testing, that's what I can tell. This is 2.5 Pro and I'm on the free plan. Let's see what 2.5 Pro comes with. It shows you the thinking. First of all, please show thinking, man. Come on. We are still recording, right? Oh my god. We've been recording for 33 minutes. The thing is, ये जो output है ना, this is unusual. Every other model is actually shit at game generation, and GPT-5, when you give it a good prompt, seems to be good at it. You know what? Let's give it another chance. Thinking चालू करके करते हैं. Let's try that. When you give it a good prompt, GPT-5 will also give you a good output. But for some reason, Gemini is just incredible at game generation. Like, I have no idea why that specific like, look at this. GPT-5 couldn't do this. This can. Like, at least the workability of this compared to what GPT-5 had given us. GPT-5 had, of course, given a much better UI, but this is so good comparatively. For some reason, Gemini 5 Pro is really good at games, at making games, at revamping games in web platforms. Okay, let's see what 2.5 Pro thinking does. So it's thought for about 19 seconds, and it's using the Canvas API. Have we used the Canvas API here? Yeah. Okay, is this the output? ठीक है. Let's try running this. Okay, now it's functional, and oh, the physics is really good. Okay, maybe a little questionable. The physics is still better than what. Okay, I take what I said back. Gemini 2.5 can't beat this. This is better. Like, matlab, you can just tell from the player experience that this is made like a game. This does not quite like it's like there's no physics here. The physics is not proper here. You can feel the physics here, and the UI is of course much better. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. But the base GPT-5 could not do this. We had to turn on thinking. Just keep that in mind. So GPT-5 thinking is really good. Alright, I guess we've done the testing, and तुम लोगों को realize हो चुका है how good this model actually is. Thank you so much for watching. Tata. Bye bye.